It's so sad being in space. There's nothing to do. You float around and that's pretty much it. But that's not the worst part. Oh no, it gets worse. You can't eat Luma Crackers in space. You can't eat Luma Crackers in space. You can't eat Luma Crackers in space. You have to wear these dumb helmets all the time, or you die.
If you can dream it, you can make it. Luma.